Here we have a package coming from Back, Arizona. And Back mailed us two 2.5-inch SATA drives for data recovery. And also mailed in a controller board. So this is the controller board that has two SATA connectors. So these two drives are probably connected in RAID. And we've done a similar video like this on YouTube before where we recovered data from 4 terabyte drive by fixing the controller board. Hopefully we can do the same thing here and we can recover data as long as there's no physical damage onto the drives or no reading head problems. I need my data, do not care about the drives. Phone number, address, email, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so let's take a look at the controller board to see what's going on and if we can recover data from this drive. We also have another 4 terabyte drive that came in a few days ago. This one here is coming from Virginia Beach. It's an external drive, 4 terabytes. Exactly the same issue. This one looks like the board connector is broken off. We do not know if there's anything else wrong with this drive. This customer only included her name, number, address, and email. Nothing else. I may do both of them in one video, or maybe we'll do a separate video for each one, depending if time permits and how long the video is. Let's start by looking at the board under the microscope and see what's going on. Now, I looked at the board here and it looks like the SATA connector, the USB 3 connector, is broken off. Hey man, how are you?
Good, how are you?
What's going on? What we're gonna do is we're gonna solder a connector onto this board and hopefully we can read data from those drives. If any one of those drives are bad, then we will not be able to read data. So we do not know the condition of those drives or if we can read from them yet. But what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna fix the connector, and that's where the cable, the USB cable plugs. So the cable usually plugs here, like this, and then this one plugs into your computer. I do not have a connector in stock, so we're gonna extract it from this one that we have, and we're gonna use this to solder it on here. Let's go ahead and do that right now. I do not want to order and wait for that connector to arrive, so we're gonna extract it from here. Okay, so all we have to do right now is use just a little bit of heat to remove this connector safely. Maybe we'll use 350 degrees. Alright, very good. The connector is out and we're gonna use that to put it on the customer's board. And the customer's board is right over here. Okay, so we have two missing pads here. I do not know if those pads connect to anything. We're gonna check. As soon as I tried to apply some solder, two of them came right off. One of them does not connect to anything, which is good, and the other one we need to run a wire, a jumper wire. Now for this one here, what we can do is we can scratch this pad a bit. Maybe we can just add a solder blob that will make a connection with the pin, just like that.
Trying to find a place to see if they can fix this phone for me.
What's wrong with it? Wait a minute. Is the pad still there? Oh yeah. It looked to me like the pad was ripped off the board, but it looks like the pad is still there. I do not know what that brown thing was all about. Maybe it came from here, over here, and I thought that we lost the pad here. Great, no need to run any wires. It's 6:02 and we close at 6, but I just want to finish this video. Alright, then let's do this side too. Very good. Let me change the tip. Hopefully we are able to get the data back for the customer by doing this. As you can see, we did not have this connector in stock, so we took this connector off another SATA adapter. And the reason we did that, so we don't have to wait until we order one. Right. We're gonna do the same thing here. And in a few minutes we'll know if this is gonna work or not. Just a little more flux to make things nice and pretty. Solid, 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 and solid. What about here? Very good. This one doesn't connect to anything, so it doesn't matter. Alright, so the job is done. Now all we have to do is see if the drive gets recognized by the computer. If yes, we'll start backing up the data. We'll invoice the customer and ship it back to her tomorrow. To her or to him. I forgot who it's coming from. We have 2 drives and 2 slots here, just like that, and all we have to do is connect the cable and see if it gets recognized by the computer. Okay, the light came on, which is good. The good thing is the computer is recognizing the drive and it's making that sound. I want to monitor this area on the left, and also foul squirrel.
Yes.
It's able to see the drive. Right there. 3726 gigabytes. That's the 4 terabyte drive that we just plugged in. Awesome. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click on that bell icon next to the subscribe button so you can be notified when we have a new video. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.